What's one thing you do in your bathroom that you swear keeps you young?
Strawberry skies.
One thing that I definitely like to do for myself is I cleanse. I also like I do my I love doing makeup. I love makeup. So one of my favorite things to do is to do makeup because I consider makeup as war paint. And I think women need to learn their faces and they need to know how to do their makeup right. And actually, there has been research that women who put makeup on and those who don't put makeup on, women who put makeup on make more money in life than the ones who don't. So, you know, learn to do makeup. However, learning to take care of skin is something that keeps me young. Even though I love makeup, makeup is basically there to hide some of your imperfections or create like a glow where none exists or something. But what I actually like to do in the bathroom is like not only when I remove my makeup at night, I make sure no matter how tired I am, I remove my makeup before I go to sleep. And before, not only I remove my makeup, I make sure that I put some CE ferulic, which is a very, very important serum that I recommend to everyone to put on their skin. So vitamin, it contains, it's a topical food for your skin's biome. So your skin at a very cellular level has living organisms that, it's alive. So what it needs topically to stay young is like this topical serum. So it is topical. It's not it's a very important routine for skincare, especially for anti-aging purposes. So that is something that I like to do. So I put like this vitamin CE ferulic acid serum, which is by SkinCeuticals, which I totally love. And then the second thing I do, I let it sit and be completely absorbed, which takes like a minute or two. And then I place a little moisturizer to also moisturize the areas of my face where I feel the skin got dry through the day, because every season is different, but these are like must do everyday routine. So that moisturizer that I use is like something like Neocutis, which is a very good quality moisturizer which has certain molecules that can actually very easily penetrate through and get absorbed through the skin. So it just keeps your body, like really facial skin, very hydrated. And then in the end, I put some healing ointment around my mouth, around this area, because this is an area which is moving all the time throughout the day. So at night, I like to extra moisturize it here. I extra moisturize under eyes. I extra moisturize with that healing ointment, which is, I think, by CeraVe. So I think that one thing that I do every single day without fail has helped me tremendously. So that is one thing that, women who truly are beautiful and care for their beauty and they want to preserve that skin for a period of time, they must do.